Today we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with the adjustable kitchen drawer organizer for utensils and junk, crafted from 100% sustainable bamboo. This versatile organizer is food safe and contract grade, designed to expand from 16 to 28 inches wide, making it perfect for maximizing storage in your extra wide kitchen drawers. With dimensions of 17.4 inches deep and 2.7 inches tall, it features up to 9 compartments, including 3 fixed and 6 adjustable, allowing you to create custom configurations for your utensils, cutlery, and gadgets. The solid bamboo construction ensures durability and beauty, while the anti-slip rubber pads keep it securely in place, preventing any unwanted sliding. Unlike other organizers, this one boasts a solid bamboo bottom panel with a full perimeter support frame, ensuring it won't sag or separate even when fully loaded. KitchenEdge stands out in innovation and quality, offering a consistent look and feel across all their products, making this organizer a standout choice for any kitchen. So, if you're ready to elevate your kitchen organization game, this bamboo drawer organizer could be the perfect solution for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.